Guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I had to do a voiceover over this because my Insta360 somehow messed up and only recorded half of the video for some apparent reason. But here is 3 days after the big blizzard or 3-day blizzard ended. You can see our road is still not plowed, guys. This is how bad it is here on our island right now. We even have help coming down from, I believe it's out of province, to help dig everybody out. Now, we have got the biggest record snowfall we've had in such a long time, at least since I've been a child, which totals to be 150 centimeters of snow. Now that's what, geez, I can't even figure that in inches. I've read it online. I think it's 53 inches or something around there. But just check it out, guys. This was higher right around my barn door there. It's like we got a little bit of light rain, kind of a mist, and it kind of packed it down more. So there was like another 1 or 2 feet on top of that by the barn because the barn door was almost covered completely. I've been going at this for the 3 days constantly. Friday the storm started. Friday evening I got the snowblower out and started pucking through it. I went at it again Saturday night with the snowblower, and then finally Sunday finished off the last foot or so with the shovel because I ran out of fuel on the snowblower and no way to get there to get fuel. Now you can see the road plowed down here. That's by my mom's. My mom's place is the white one on the left corner with the peach trim. And that right there is the end of the town limit, guys. That's why our road is not plowed out yet, because we are part of the county line, not the town. Now you can see there's a trail down there which we walked through, had to tramp that trail down to be able to walk to town there on Monday. Monday it was we walked to town. That's when you guys see me do that live stream. So the biggest storm we've had in quite a long time. As you can see, there are still people digging out, and there are still people that are still buried, guys. Quite a storm. Quite a storm. I don't want to see any more snow this winter. I sure hope we don't get any. Now, it was pretty windy here today. It was like 28 kilometer an hour gusts, but that's up at 100 meters high. But being so close to the water here, I think we get a little more than what it reads, because I put the Hubsan Mini 1-inch up right after this one, and that drone had somewhat of a hard time. You can see, guys, even that road's not plowed. That leads down to the highway. You can see someone down there walking across the road. A lot of homes there are still buried. The industrial park down there across the highway is plowed out, and somewhat down to Sydney Mines. Like I said, there's a lot of homes still buried, and we are still waiting to get our roads plowed so we can get out. Now my driveway is done, but my car is still trapped. I cannot get that car out any further than the end of my driveway. Lots of snow, guys. It surely sucks. Surely sucks. You see, there are some neighbors out still shoveling. Now these snowbanks are at least like 6 feet high. Some places around the island are 8 to 10 feet high. I've seen an actual picture online of a guy digging out around his either his home or garage, and it was at least 10 feet high around, and I mean completely around his place. So it wasn't a nice thing to go through. Very tiring trying to get rid of this. The first 2 days weren't too bad. Actually, into the second day, it started to get wet. So that's when it became the worst to try and dig out. Now you can see my neighbor's truck there in his driveway, completely buried, guys. He's still not really dug out yet. He's got his back driveway dug out, but his truck is completely covered there. You can see it below right now, center screen. That's a Ford Ranger, and it's completely buried. You just see the hood and the roof sticking out. His backyard is pretty buried in. His main door is in the backyard there, but he must be using his front now. Just a little scan around the neighborhood. It's not a very long flight, guys. I didn't want to keep the drone up too long. Just wanted to show you guys what it's like here now. If you guys go check out my other videos where I've flown in the neighborhood, you'll see that the street goes straight up past my house and still buried in. And that snow is almost waist deep, guys. Just about up to your waist, coming up our main street here. I'm just about over my home right now. See a little bit of camera jello. That's because of the wind. Well, it's just slight jello, not too bad. But that's it, guys. That's the worst storm we've had in a long time. Like I said, the last time I seen snow this deep was when I was a child. You can see me down there in the driveway just controlling, watching this drone. So that's it, guys. We are going to end this, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we went through. And until the next one, peace and out.